Hello everyone, welcome to Chinatown Anika. Yesterday we talked about how to use 有点儿, and today we are going to study how to use 一点儿 as a little bit. So 一点儿 has two different usages. The first one, it means quantity. So I will give you one example. I say 我想买一点儿苹果。买 is to buy. 一点儿 a little bit. 苹果 apples. I want to buy a little bit apples. 我想买一点儿苹果。So in this case, we put 一点儿 after a verb before the noun. And the second usage, we use 一点儿 after an adjective. For example, if I say 便宜一点儿吧，便宜 it means cheap. 一点儿 a little bit. So 便宜一点儿吧 a little bit cheaper please. So in this case, 一点儿 we use it for the comparative degree.